I'm here with Adrian Blundell, who is International Training Manager for SpeakerCraft, and we're on the SpeakerCraft stand, and we've got a European premiere, which is a SpeakerCraft Mode Free. We've seen the mode, but now you've got a Mode Free. So why don't you give our readers and viewers a little bit of insight about how this controller works? Wireless.
Absolutely, totally wireless. We've taken all the advantages of a mode system, where you can view iPod metadata, albums, tracks, server information, radio stations from an in-the-wall unit, and now taking it out of the wall as a handheld controller. So all the information, you can simply sit down and view that and control it yourself. Not only that, I can control any zone. So up to 32 rooms can be accessed.
32 rooms?
32 can be accessed from this and controlled completely independently.
Wow.
If you're concerned about the children mucking around with the system, each unit can be dedicated to a specific room, even if it's wireless. But the parents, they could happily have access to every single room. One of the real strengths of the system is the fact that now it allows a remote control to have exactly the same look and language as part of a multi-room system itself. Normally someone would have a remote control and a keypad, two entirely different interfaces, two entirely different languages. With this, the answer to the question is the same. If it's in a family room and they want to watch, say, Sky, they just press the Sky button. If they go into a home theatre room and they want to watch Sky, they just press the Sky button. It doesn't matter what components are in there, a television, a plasma, an AV amplifier, lighting control, the means of doing it is identical. It makes things really friendly and very it's just a nice way of doing things. I find it's sort of a technical way of doing things.
Must be a hell of a lot of technology in there, though.
Absolutely. This is it's a proprietary system. It uses as its carrier, it uses a Zigbee network. You have a 100-foot range. That's through walls. That's not just line of sight. That's through walls. With a single little coordinator unit, and you can literally roam around the property. One really sweet thing is the fact that if you forget one of the units you can actually page every single unit, and they will actually send out a little chirp to let you know where they are on the system. So if the cat's eaten one or it's lost the safer, you can immediately find the unit.
But the other good news is the price point.
Absolutely. In the UK, this is average. This is expected to reach off about £650 as a unit. Plus, we have two different docks. Tabletop, which as you see here, mode free unit will drop into, and is a fast charger. That's expected in the UK to retail for about £175, and the same for an in-wall dock. So here we can turn a handheld into a keypad. The moment it actually sits within the in-wall unit itself, it's talking to that specific zone. But they simply take it out, and now I have the ability to talk to any room I want within the property itself. It can be added to any current SpeakerCraft system, or with the fact that there's no wiring required for this, any property that simply has speaker cabling can enjoy all the benefits of iPod and server control wirelessly with all the information coming back to their hand. It really is a very friendly system.
Adrian, it's been a pleasure.
Absolutely.
Tell our readers and viewers to click on the link under the site and find the local dealer so they can go and get themselves one.
Go to SpeakerCraft.com and you'll find all the information that you need.
Okay. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.